Hello and very good evening. My name is Vishal Yadav, and with me I have Julie Balal, one of our team members, joining this conversation today. It's a special episode that we are doing with two special cricketers, Niranjana Nagarjun and Shubhalakshmi Sharma. अब ये स्पेशल क्यों है वो आपको थोड़ी देर में पता चल ही जाएगा. These two cricketers were part of the India squad that played the historic test match against England in 2014. और सिर्फ खेला ही नहीं, they defeated England in England. There were 8 debutants, mind you, playing a test match after 8 long years. And nobody expected them to win, right? So let's begin this special episode, and I would request both Niranjana and Shobha Lakshmi to take us back to this match. तो शुरू करते हैं. अब शुरू कहाँ से करें, मैं थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गया हूँ. But let us quickly start with ये पता कैसे चला कि you two are part of the test squad, और ये announcement कब हुआ, anticipate कर रहे थे क्या? We'll start with Niranjana first.
Okay, first of all, hi Vishal, good to be a part of this program. Thank you for calling both of us.
Pleasure.
We were actually, it was probably sometime in May or something. We were all split up as India A, B, and C, and we were called to play some matches in Bangalore. And I think the squad, we knew that the squad will be picked from those matches. So we went and played some matches. It was literally like a selection game, like with the current set of players and those who are reckoning. So we played there, and then at the end of the camp at Alur, they announced the squad, and that was the first time both of us came to know that we were a part of the squad at Alur. And like, I've always wanted to play cricket and be a cricketer. To represent the country is any cricketer's dream, who's playing professionally. But to get a feeling like, we are going to play the test match, I'm going to represent India by wearing that whites. It was sort of a surreal feeling, it was. It just feels like it happened yesterday, but it's been like 7 long years. But yeah, that was an ultimate feeling, and I would always relish that moment where I came to know that I was a part of that test squad.
Amazing, beautiful indeed. शुभलक्ष्मी, आपसे शुरू करेंगे कि जब आपको ये पता चला आप टेस्ट के पार्ट हो, फैमिली फ्रेंड्स का क्या रिएक्शन था? क्योंकि बचपन से हम टेस्ट मैच देखते आए हैं और हमेशा हम चाहते हैं कि उसके किसी भी तरीके से एक पार्ट बन जाए. तो जब आपको पता चला कि आप टेस्ट खेलने वाले हो, एंड दिस वाज अगेन योर डेब्यू, व्हाट वाज द फीलिंग लाइक? फैमिली फ्रेंड्स से क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस था?
फर्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक कि मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ शेयर कर सकती हूँ.
अरे माय प्लेजर.
और एंड वो फीलिंग मैं शेयर नहीं कर सकती बिकॉज वो अमेजिंग था. उससे पहले मैं इंडिया रिप्रेजेंट कर रही थी ओडीआई या D20 में. जब पता चला टेस्ट के स्क्वाड में मैं आ गई हूँ, दैट सेम निंजा बोल रही थी कि वो आलूर में हमारा सिलेक्शन मैचेस था. तो जैसे ही पता चला वो एक डेब्यू वाली फीलिंग आई वापस से कि ये हमारा डेब्यू होने वाला है.
Right.
तो वो फीलिंग वो वनडे के टाइम से ज्यादा बेटर थी.
Okay.
वो और मतलब फैमिली और मतलब सबका कहना था कि ये फॉर्मेट अगर आप खेल रहे हो एज ए क्रिकेटर तो आप सबसे बेस्ट क्रिकेटर्स हो. क्योंकि वनडे T20 आई थिंक मतलब अच्छे प्लेयर्स खेलते हैं, बट टेस्ट सबकी ड्रीम होती है सारे क्रिकेटर्स की कि टेस्ट मिले. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली एक दो ही होती थी तभी हुई आफ्टर 8 years. लकीली उस टाइम पे हुई जब हम टीम में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे थे. तो वी आर लकी इनफ.
Right.
Truly, we were lucky. I would really say that we were really lucky, I should mention, because not every, though the current scenario is improving for the girls to play test cricket, that time to play a test match, and to be a part of that historic win, we were, I think, very, very blessed and fortunate. Shubhu actually rightly said.
आप लोगों को ये पता चला, इसके बाद व्हाट वाज द नेक्स्ट कॉल टू एक्शन? आप लोगों ने वो कितने दिन में प्रिपेयर किया और ये कितना स्मूथली हुआ ये चीज?
We had a proper camp in Bangalore. Yeah, we had about 10 days camp in Bangalore.
Oh, nice.
Where we were actually given good scenarios to practice. We were practicing with good quality red balls, and very intense session. And from the one-day cricket mode, we were slowly getting transferred to the disciplines of test cricket. Bowlers have to be patient. Pitching the ball in the same area, the batsman have to leave the ball and play. I still remember bowling with Shubhi and Julu on the same net, with spot bowling to all the top order batsmen, and the preparation mode was, I mean, I felt we as a team prepared well. Probably for Shika, that was the case.
Okay.
You know.
Okay.
And even we played a practice match in England also.
Exactly. Yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice. So back to Bangalore, जहाँ पे आप लोग assemble हुए थे, practice हो रही थी. What exactly goes behind in training for a test match?
Shubhi, you say? Do you want to answer this?
एक्चुअली इससे पहले हमारा प्रैक्टिस सेशन मैच सिमुलेशन होता था, जो भी मैच, मतलब अगर हम कोई भी सीरीज से पहले जाते थे तो. बट हम उस टाइम पे हमारा एक सेशन ऐसा होता था, बॉलर्स कंटिन्यू बॉलिंग कर रहे काफी टाइम तक, क्योंकि हमें एक लॉन्ग सेशन की जरूरत थी. इवन हमें बैटिंग भी मिलती थी, ऐसे काफी लॉन्ग बॉलर्स को बैटिंग मिलती थी 40 मिनट्स 30 मिनट्स. तो ये था डिफरेंसेस कि टेस्ट मैच की प्रिपरेशन ऐसे चल रही थी. टेस्ट मैचेस के लिए स्लिप के क्लोज फील्डर्स की अलग से प्रैक्टिस होती थी, सिली पॉइंट कवर ये सब की. तो ये प्रिपरेशन काफी, मतलब 10 days शॉर्ट टाइम था, बट वो काफी इंटेंस के साथ हो रहा था बैंगलोर में.
Okay. And Niranjana?
And as she mentioned, short leg practice. The fielders were kept like short leg, silly points, slip catches. They were given more importance, and the long spells, like bowling with a new ball, coming back in the second spell, and if we had to bowl with a semi-new kind of ball will swing late. All those kinds of specifications were given. I thoroughly enjoyed. I mean, like I always loved bowling with a red ball because it helped the bowlers more than the what the white ball does. So yeah, so
Exactly.
it was really good. And why? Because we had very good batsmen in the team, and they were very temperamental also. So they just used to leave the ball and play. So we had to just practice bowling on the same spot. So all these things were the difference.
Got it.
So that's the thing. Test match is all about patience, and the practice were regularized for that.
Amazing. And was there any news coverage, any media, any local newspaper reaching out to you guys कि अरे आप टेस्ट मैच खेलने जा रहे हो इतने सालों बाद, कुछ तो स्पेशल होना चाहिए? Any news coverage of that sort?
I don't remember. I mean, we were too much into practice and resting. I don't think before going we gave in it. Maybe Mithali would have given because she's a captain, and the management would have known. But I don't think as players Henna Shubhi, I don't think we gave. Yeah.
Okay. Why I'm asking is because 2014 में ये मैच के टेस्ट मैच के पहले ही इंग्लैंड को नया कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिला था. English players were contracted, so a lot of questions were revolving around now that you all are professional players, now that there is a pay structure in place, तो थोड़ी expectations भी हो जाती है ना चाहते हुए भी. The players, the media, the fans, they knowingly unknowingly they put you in that frame कि now that you are being paid for to play cricket, आपका performance कैसा होगा या क्या चीजें change हो रही हैं. ऐसा कुछ यहाँ पे नहीं था, Indian cricket setup में नहीं था.
See, it might not have been there that time, but then we knew that the dynamics are changing. We have watched, and the board was taking care of us really well. Not that we were not contracted then, but then we knew it's just a matter of time. Board was supporting really well, and then exactly a year later we were contracted. It's just that it just took that span of time, and without, I mean, the board support has been really good. Without their support and understanding of the women's game and the dynamics behind that, I don't think women's cricket could have improved so much like how it has improved now. So right now, I think the media coverage is really good. So those are all the sort of subtle changes what we are actually observing.
Amazing. My next question, Shobh, how many days in advance did you all assemble? कितने दिन पहले आप लोग इंग्लैंड में जमा हो गए थे before this test match?
I think 10 or 12 days before, because वहाँ पे हमने एक प्रैक्टिस मैच आपस में खेली थी and एक इंग्लैंड टीम के साथ खेली थी. So I think 12 days before we arrived.
और वो sufficient था उस टाइम के लिए? आप लोग को लग रहा था कि हाँ now we are all set, we are all prepared, या ऐसा लग रहा था कि काश एक और मिलता?
नहीं, वो सफिशिएंट था बिकॉज उससे पहले हमारा प्रैक्टिस मैच आलूर में भी हो चुका था, जो सिलेक्शन मैच जैसे निंजा ने मेंशन किया वो सिलेक्शन मैच था. फिर हम बैंगलोर में कैंप भी किए थे 10 days का. इंग्लैंड में भी हमें 10-12 days का एक प्रैक्टिस मिला था. तो सफिशिएंट था, वी वर रेडी. मतलब हम 8 डेब्यूटेंट्स थे बट वी वर रेडी.
Okay. My final question, Niranjana, before we jump to the actual action, which is the England Test match. My final question to you is ki, before your Test call up, I think in 2013 you were not part of the World Cup, and because of malaria, I guess, right? Ki you were down with malaria.
Exactly. Yeah.
Did you how did that comeback happen, and आप कितना anticipate कर रहे थे कि ये होगा, ये call होगा?
Like actually malaria was unexpected. We were playing for Indian Railway. Should be yaad hai aapko? In between in Bhubaneswar, it was middle of the first league
domestic season.
Yeah, domestic. So I felt sick. I came back, and then after the Railways won the championship, I felt bad to have missed that, but I was happy they won. But after that, they said even if I was fit, they felt that I can't risk with my health, so they gave me that span of time to recover. So I had to get fit as much as possible, mentally and physically. But obviously I really wanted the girls to do well at Bangladesh in the World Cup. But yeah, I knew that I never knew a test match is going to come, but I knew I had to be in that shape again, for me to maintain myself physically and my mind wise. So I worked on it. I worked a lot on my training, and I accepted it slowly that if you're a player, okay, maybe ups and downs, the graph has to come down, and then a comeback has to be really strong. So that was my mental makeup. So I used all my practice sessions to my best effects. Even till date, I'm doing that. So that was the kind of mental makeup I had at that time. So when it all synced very well. So when I came to know that we're going to play matches in Alur, and then from there England tour, so I was almost ready, for the match setup, and that's how it happened. That's how the preparation happened. So I've always believed that how you prepare is going to make you perform in the games. So preparation is always important. So I'm very grateful that all my surrounding people also have helped in that fact of preparation. That's how it happened. That selection from malaria to that test match, it just happened like that.
Okay, good, great. I have again a lot of questions, but I'm sure that even Julie is very eager to jump in the conversation and ask her questions. Julie, take last question, and then you can start with your questions. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So my again last question is, आप लोग को वो टेस्ट कैप दिया गया था क्या? वो टाइम पे ऐसा सेरेमनी होता था, या फिर इट वाज जस्ट कि हाँ आप सेलेक्ट हो गए हो, चलो आ जाओ खेलो? और कोई पिक्चर्स है कि नहीं, मतलब कोई टेस्ट कैप दे रहा है?
नहीं, actually these days it has become a tradition to give caps and post it on social media and everything.
Yeah, right.
But those days our kits usually was kept in our rooms, it's ready for us to be packed, so we couldn't take any photographs of that. But the value of the cap remains the same, huh? Hai na, Shubi? The value of the cap will always remains the same. The whites and the cap.
Test cap.
Yeah, exactly, the test cap. I still have my whites, the stumps and everything. So it's just that it's not posted on Instagram. That's the difference now,
Right.
Yeah. But I remember Mithali speaking about the importance of the test match in a meeting, and that's how she prepped all our minds, the debutants. She as always was calm and very temperamental, and she was just telling us, don't take it as a real thing, just a game where you're just going to play a test match initially, so you have to have the mind of a test game, but then there's no need to be like very nervous or something. So she sort of settled us down in the meeting. So I remember that. So that was the moment where it synced, okay, we're going to play test match,
And the way things panned out, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मतलब कोई नर्वसनेस तो थी नहीं bowlers में. 92 पे फर्स्ट इनिंग में ऑल आउट कर रहे हैं.
Don't ask me. We were nervous. I mean, like, we were not 100% nervous. Obviously, that feeling of going into an exam hall will be there, no? Slight jitters in the stomach. And when she gave me the ball, she said, I want you to just hit the deck. I don't want you to do anything. So from extra cover, she gave me the ball, I remember. So, yeah.
Okay.
It was not that players were
into
not
the ball?
nervous. It was Mithali.
Okay.
So second over, first over Zulu opened.
Right.
Second over, she gave me the ball. She said, "I want you to hit the deck. I don't want you to do anything. The ball will do the rest." And the ball did the rest actually.
Okay.
And Shubhi's second innings, that 2 wickets were actually very crucial. It was, that Sarah Taylor's and that bold of Nat Sewers and Sarah Taylor. Yeah. Very
And
crucial.
they were Yorkers.
Very unfortunate that she couldn't. Yeah. That LBW was brilliant. The balls were swung in actually. It was really good. So
Wow.
I was standing at mid-off, so that's why I was able to see it. Really how the ball was.
Shubh, you want to say something? वो 2 balls.
Because Ninja ने इतना starting में इतना अच्छे कह रहा ना, बैकबोन इंग्लैंड की बैकबोन ही गई. उसने सारा स्टार्टिंग में ओवर कर दिया. मैच हमारे हाथ में आ गया था तभी.
हाँ, मतलब लंच
के बाद सारे बॉलर्स बस एंजॉय कर रहे थे फर्स्ट टाइम.
लंच के पहले 5 विकेट गए थे इंग्लैंड के, जिसमें से 4 वेंट टू
निंजा के. हाँ, तो उन्होंने वो इंग्लैंड की बैकबोन तोड़ दी थी ना.
Along with my bowling, I loved batting. That I've always loved batting. Batting is my passion actually. Anytime I can just get up from the bed, I like batting or bowling means I have always loved batting. Bowling is like a duty. I have to do that. You're sincere to your duty, but batting is passion. I love batting. So and batting also is good. I enjoyed batting with Juluti.
You did play a role with
that's batting. That a little bit of time where I spent at the wicket, I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. There's no pressure of scoring. I just had to defend the balls, play straight, orthodox cricket shots. Very nice.
I think that first day, na Ninj? Juludi?
Yeah. First day, Juludi. Exactly. We were thinking that there's only 15 minutes of play left. And then when we saw umpire saying 45 minutes, so 1 hour left. I was like, God, 45 minutes to 1 hour, we have to see through the day. And then decided, okay, outside off stump, I will leave. Straight ball, I will defend. This is my. That's how we batted that day.
Actually, you top scored in that innings with 27.
Really? I thought Smriti top scored.
No, in the first innings. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
You enjoy batting, don't you?
No, I love batting. My first love is always batting.
Okay. We'll talk about your batting. We'll talk about your partnership with Jhulan Goswami, ma'am. But now let's go by sequence. Julie, your questions.
Okay. So it has been like a wonderful half an hour listening to both of you. बहुत बड़ा मजा आ गया. आप वापस 2014 में लेकर गए हमें. तो बहुत बढ़िया था. तो अभी मैच के बारे में बात करते हैं. तो टॉस जीता, अच्छा ग्रीन टॉप था, ठीक है. इंडिया ने बॉलिंग डिसाइड की करने, बट आपको लगा कि आप इतने विकेट्स फटाफट निकाल पाओगे इंग्लैंड के?
Actually, that's what I said. I was standing in fine line when Julu Didi was bowling. I could see the ball was doing a little bit, because her bounce and this thing has always been great. So honestly, I didn't expect myself to take those wickets, but I wanted to bowl well. The want was always there. I have to be there on the spot, bowl, make the batsman play. That was my criteria. Making the test match is all about making the batsman play, because if you really keep giving them chances of even slightly outside off stump, they're going to leave the ball, even if it is a post stump. So my main thing was to bowl on the stumps. I think that was. And we have previously, in my practice sessions also, I concentrated on that, just to bowl on the stump, because either it will be a caught behind or LBW. Options are more for you to take wickets if you're going to bowl on the stump. So that was my priority. I think apart from one caught behind, which was wide outside off stump of my wicket, others were all LBW, which primarily meant I focused on bowling on the stump. So once the first over was, I think the first over football, I got the wicket, and then it was raining, washed out. So that set up my rhythm actually, honestly. And I knew, okay, if I bowl well today, it can be one of the days where I can get wickets. So it was, you don't get, bowlers obviously don't get good days very often, but if you're getting it, you have to make the maximum out of it. So that was that kind of a day for me. It was very, very memorable and very close to my heart.
Right. So Jhulan Goswami, as you said, she was around always, and before you, like, she already played 8 test matches. So, like, question to both of you, Shubh and Niranjana, like, what were the suggestions that Jhulan was giving you?
I remember actually that test match, 5 to 6 wicket has already fallen. So Chuludi was fitting in slim. तो वो बार बार मुझे आकर बता रहे ये बॉल डाल मतलब every ball, each and every ball she was coming and telling कि ऐसा डाल वैसा डाल. So my first wicket was LBW, and there was a chance for hat trick. So उधर से मुझे वो गाइड कर रहे हैं, स्लिप से गाइड कर रहे हैं कि यॉर्कर डाल. तो वो मतलब उनका बेस्ट था, इन्वॉल्व थे वो, बराबर वहां पे इन्वॉल्व थे कि यॉर्कर डाल, हर एक बॉल पे ऐसे आके चरप कर रहे थे. तो जुलूदी ये है कि वो मतलब हमेशा गाइड करते हैं कि ऐसा कर वैसा कर, हेल्प कर रहा है, ये हेल्प कर रहा है. तो वो मैं वहां पे फील कर पा रही थी कि उनके सपोर्ट की वजह से इवन सेकेंड डे जो जैसा निंजा ने बताया ना सारा टेलर का, वो तो मैं आउटसाइड द ऑफ स्टंप डाल रही थी बॉल, वो वेल लेफ्ट हो रहा था बार. फिर मित्तुदी आए वहां से एक्स्ट्रा कवर से, मेरे को उसको खिला से विकेट के. फिर मैंने उसको जब अंदर डाला तो फिर मेरे को विकेट मिला.
राइट.
तो ये था कि एक्सपीरियंस का जरूरत था, वो जो दोनों शेयर कर रहे थे.
They both are like that even now, I feel. They just keep sharing.
Exactly.
वो दोनों मतलब ऐसे भी पेरेंट की तरह हो गए ना, मम्मी पापा की तरह, कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करके चलते पूरे टीम को.
नहीं, आई वुड लव, मतलब वो दोनों कभी भी कुछ बोलते हैं ना, कभी भी तो ऐसा होता है कि वो अप्लाई करना है बिकॉज वो वर्क करता है. मैं तो जब भी मतलब मिताली की कैप्टन खेली हूँ, इवन डोमेस्टिक या इंटरनेशनल, तो वो ऐसा होता है कि वो जो भी बोल रहे हैं वो वर्क करता है. तो मैं चाहती हूँ फुल्ली कि वो जो बोल रहे हैं मैं वो करूँ, बस मैं अपने साथ दिमाग ना लगाऊं.
Okay.
And sometimes if it doesn't work out, no, we would have done something wrong. The plan would have been correct, and then the way we have to see her with that great. Supposing she says do this, and then we do something wrong, ball goes for a boundary. To look at her again will be one big difficulty for both of us, because we knew we would have done something wrong of that sort. So, but she wouldn't say anything. She understands. It's okay. ऐसा हो सकता है because you're trying something. So as far as the effort she finds, in applying, it's fine.
Great. तो आपका बॉलिंग एफर्ट इतना बढ़िया था कि इंग्लैंड जो इतना एशेस खेलते हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया के साथ, लाइक इंडिया हार्डली प्लेज टेस्ट मैचेस, बट आपने उनको 92 में ऑल आउट कर दिया था विद 8 डेब्यूटेंट्स ऑफ कोर्स. तो ये एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि ऐसा हम कर पाएंगे?
No, I mean, actually, it's my personal thing that whenever I play, I don't expect, it has to be like this. I only even put 100% effort, preparing 100%, putting in the 100%, and then keeping that process of putting the 100% on the field. Because if you don't give your 100% and if you don't believe in giving it the 100% on field, till date I feel that it's not worth playing. You have to be there 100% on the process, believing in yourself. So that's exactly what happened that day also. Nobody expected any results. We wanted to give our 100%. In that process, I think we did really well.
Okay.
And in a way, it was really a good result, because honestly, nobody would have expected with 8 debutants that the team was going to win. But then we won. It's only because first day the setup, the process. Thankfully, we won the toss. The process of applying ourselves, in the second innings, we knew, okay, we've not batted well in the first, second. The Batsman's application in the second innings was really good. We chased 160 or 170 odd on the fourth day.
180.
It's not a very, very easy task. I think Batsman also applied really, really well. Again, it all comes down to how much we believed in ourselves and how much we trusted the process of doing well. And I wish that's the same case with the current Indian side also.
Right.
I think they're a really good side. They are they're going to do. I mean, like their preparation and the process have also been like really good. So I truly wish that the team does really well. The current set of girls, the current set of team.
So ये 92 ऑल आउट के बाद ड्रेसिंग रूम में कैसा एनवायरनमेंट था, क्योंकि एक्सपेक्ट तो नहीं किया होगा कि इतने जल्दी हमें we would have to bat in the first day itself. So
I was sitting next to Shubhi and Ekta only. I remember that I only asked her. Ekta was doing some funny sounds, some opera sound she was doing. No, Shubhi, opera sound she was doing. We were laughing and we were I think 15 all or something before 64 for 6.
Yeah.
No, we were nicely sitting, relaxed. Aram se, Appa, our job is done. Now let them do like that. Like that. We were relaxing actually, and suddenly Siemens' score was a little, balanced, equally balanced. And then again we had to come into the zone that's what I batted with Julan. Dressing room atmosphere has never been very, serious and all that. When onto the game, the concentration will be there, but it doesn't mean that we have to be only like that. Normal but concentrating. It is always like that, even in domestic. I mean, when we were there.
So nothing to worry.
तो ये 64 for 6 जब हुआ तब क्या बॉलर्स पे प्रेशर डाला, अरे थोड़ा बैटिंग अच्छे से करके आओ?
Exactly, मैं
nobody was.
Niranjana was desperate to go out and bat.
मुझे बैटिंग करनी पड़ेगी.
But Shubhi, I think batted next day only, if I'm right. Next day morning you batted, yeah. But
मुझे ऐसा प्रेशर आ रहा था कि मुझे डेड डिफेंस करना है, मतलब मैं जल्दी डेड डिफेंस करती हूँ तो मुझे हिट करना है. अच्छा, मुझे डेड डिफेंस में वो शैडो खेल रही हूँ ड्रेसिंग रूम में कि मुझे डेड डिफेंस करना है, मुझे बॉल लेफ्ट करना है, बस और कुछ नहीं करना है.
Yeah, but I was nervous before. It is always there. Even if I'm going to play, even when I'm batting for Tamil Nadu or batting like wherever, when I go inside, when I'm padded up, I have the nervous feeling till I feel a little settled inside. First 10 runs or something. Shubhi, don't take this secret, okay? And don't please apply in domestic cricket, please. Yeah. So
give us more secrets. आप नोट डाउन करो.
Exactly. क्योंकि निंजा ने डोमेस्टिक में काफी स्कोर किया हमारे अगेंस्ट. इवन दैट ईयर बंगाल के अगेंस्ट भी उसने स्कोर किया था.
Nice.
तो वो एक प्राउड मोमेंट था ना कि इंग्लैंड में हमारी फ्लैग ऐसे.
राइट.
तो वो काफी था क्योंकि बचपन से सुनते हैं ना कि अंग्रेज हम पे ऐसे रूल करे हैं. तो वो बहुत अच्छी लाइव वाली फीलिंग थी कि लाइवली हम वहाँ पे मतलब मैच से पहले ऐसे फ्लैग होस्ट कर रहे हैं. तो प्राउड फीलिंग हो रही थी बहुत.
Surprised. I was taken aback when I saw the ground was 3/4 filled with India supporters.
Wow.
We were like, literally when it became very balanced, no, and when we had the upper hand at the end of day 3, we needed only 60 runs to win, though it was 60 runs for us, but for them it was 60 runs and India is going to win. That kind of an expectations. The ground, especially the from the far end, behind the long on and long off, those boundaries was filled with India fans and India flags and also.
Wow.
And we played the national anthem and it was a very close to heart moment, It really motivated all of us to do well, we were playing for the country and that goosebumps kind of a feeling, and we held the flag and we took the photograph, and come what may, all of us needed that victory so badly. The want of the entire team, the management, the fans, people back home, it was a very special feeling. Till date, it holds a special feeling to all of us, and I'm sure the future also it'll be like one of the best memories for all of us. I'm generally quite superstitious when it comes to my exams, when it comes to cricket, I am like that, when I do an exam well with a particular way of studying, or when I sit in some place and study, when I do my exam well, the same pen, the same place, I'm that kind of a person, but not too much, a little bit. So that sort of carried forward to the game also. So I saw that India were doing well. Myself and Mithali Ji were standing that window and watching the game. And eventually, when she went on to bat, I was standing there. I didn't change my place at all, and I requested the team members and the management also not to change their places. And very, very sweetly, they also agreed. That only explains kitna humko victory chahiye tha. We wanted that victory, come what may, whether we are superstitious, whether it seems silly that moment. That victory mattered to us at the end of the day. That victory really, everybody wanted that victory. So that was about the superstition. And even today, when I feel, okay, this place is working out, little kind of superstition mixed with some, sense, not really very dumb superstition.
Yeah.
I feel a lot of cricketers are like that, but they just don't tell it out.
Yeah.
But yeah.
You want to reveal some? We won't mind that.
Yeah.
No. That is all their personal things. I can't reveal that.
तो शुभ आप भी थे क्या वॉशरूम के यहाँ पे निरंजना के साथ?
नहीं, मैं वॉशरूम क्या नहीं थी एक्चुअली. थर्ड डे मैं मतलब अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो शोल्डर डिसलोकेट हो गया था मेरा.
Yeah, very sad that with actually she dived and she got dislocated. It's a very good effort to stop that ball, and that's how it happened. But we missed her in the one day tour. The manager also told that she'll be missed, and very, very unfortunate. But the 2 wickets was like really very good cause and effect contribution that was. Yeah.
तो मैं जैसे उधर ही बैठी रह गई. मैं उधर उधर ही बैठी हूँ. ये निंजा को बहुत है ना, उधर ही जो जिधर है उधर ही, अभी बाउंड्री लगी है, अभी उधर ही रहना है. तो ये हमारी पूरी टीम की थी. अच्छा ठीक है, ओके फाइन. वो नेचुरली थोड़ा हो जाता है.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, day 4, I still remember when we were coming down from the hotel rooms, I saw Sudasha ma'am coming from the other end, and she also knows me from a very small age, so she found out that I am a little nervous. So she said, no, don't worry, we will win. All of us were nervous, because everybody will have some kind of a mental preparation, when they come from the hotel rooms. So Mithali was batting, and I was just, all I wanted is, we have to win that game. Right. Somehow, and every run you won't believe mattered to us, and the first innings probably when the batsman didn't click, the experience of Mithali Didi, how she applied herself, and she has been anchoring the Indian team for so many years now, and that's exactly what she did on that particular game also. She ensured that it was a very the 50 was very crucial for contribution of that victory. So it was beautiful to even the last boundary when it went when that boundary went, before we could realize that we have won that game, it took like 2 days for us to even think, okay, we've won a test match, It was like that kind of a feeling for us. It's really nice. Hey, I think they're also very nice people. They behave very sporty way. Not such, there was no apprehensions like that. On the field, real great competitors, but off the field, I think we were fine. Not much of an interaction happened, but it's quite normal, honestly. We didn't think that handshake or how we're going to greet them and all that. It's quite normal. Yeah, one happened. I think I think one with Trish happened. I'm not sure. When you're interviewing Trish, probably you can ask about her. I think Trish doesn't bat with her helmets on. If I'm right, I can be wrong also. I think something happened. If I remember right, but I don't want to say anything on that. But you can ask her. I think Brunt was bowling. Siver, sorry. Matt Siver. Yeah, I think some bouncers or something she bowled. I don't know. You can probably question this with Trish or some of the batsmen. With us, though, bowlers are always poor people. Nobody sledges us.
Was it the other way?
I doubt that. Shubh ne kiya hoga sledging.
Were you sledging?
मैं तो कभी करती नहीं.
Shubhal boy, she'll quietly field. That's all. She's actually very.
मतलब एज अ फास्ट बॉलर मैं इतना एग्रेशन शो नहीं करती फील्ड में, मतलब वो नेचुरल है ऐसा, विकेट्स लिया ओके, बाउंड्री पड़े ओके फाइन। एक्चुअली मैं निंजा का सेलिब्रेशन बहुत लाइक करती हूँ, मेरे को ऐसे मतलब वो माहौल आता है ना वो फील्ड में, सच्ची है मतलब ऑनेस्टली वो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं ना पूरी टीम में, वो एंजॉय करता है वो सेलिब्रेशन हमेशा से, मतलब मैं जब भी उसको देखी हूँ ना वो एंजॉय करती है फुल, तो मेरे को लगता है कि काश मैं भी ऐसी होती।
We just ran in, we hugged each other, and I wanted that stump, one of the match stumps, very badly. So I made sure that I was one of the first to pick up the stump, and I got my signature of all the players' signature. I still have that, but it's not here with me. It's in my parents' house. But yeah, that was one of the things which I did. We went, we hugged each other, and we were taking photographs all over, and some interviews. The stump was taken. A few players were actually wanting the stump. I wanted the ball as well, but then they said the balls can't be given. So, so I said, okay, fine. Probably if it was a 5-4, I would have compelled them to give. But yeah. And then yeah, after the test came, we sort of regrouped for the ODIs, and we had 1 day of shopping. Yeah, we regrouped quietly for the 1 dayers. Yeah, that's all.
एग्जैक्टली आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम मतलब टेस्ट मैच होने वाला है, तो अभी वो जैसे वहां पे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, तो वो सिचुएशन अभी मैं यहाँ से मतलब प्रॉपर नहीं बता पाऊंगी कि कौन कौन सी टीम मेंबर्स होने चाहिए, बिकॉज कौन किस फॉर्म में है, इतने लॉन्ग टाइम के बाद वो मैचेस खेल रहे हैं, सीरीज खेल रहे हैं, तो वो डिसाइड मतलब मैं अगर वो मैचेस कंटिन्यू होते, सीरीज होते, तो वो पिक करना इजी था, बट आई थिंक अभी वो पिक करना डिफिकल्ट है। 2-3 प्लेयर्स आर फिक्स्ड कि हाँ वो रहेंगे, सीनियर प्लेयर्स जो है एक्सपीरियंस, बट न्यू कमर्स में वो जो अभी जैसा करंट सिचुएशन में जो बेटर कर रहे होंगे, आई थिंक दे विल बी देयर।
Very diplomatic answer. Thank you.
I will. Nobody can comment on it. Really, even if you ask me, I'm also going to say that almost the same thing.
Let me reframe
Yeah, that
this.
is because see, like all of them are actually
because all the players are good.
Yeah,
all the
exactly.
players are good.
All the players are good, and all of them are equally talented. It's a very good mix of experience and youth. You know, it's a good blend. Probably, as Shubhi mentioned, it a lot depends on how the conditions there and what kind of mental makeup the players are, and you know. There are there's 1 or 2 who made a comeback. Sneha's made a comeback, and you really can't say from here. I mean, though it's we really as players we can't comment on it. It's not about being diplomatic. I think it was a practical answer. Truly, it's a practical answer.
Absolutely.
Because
Absolutely.
from here, because all the players who've gone from here are equally fit and have the ability to play in the starting 11. You know, so
Correct.
we'll have to wait and watch what the management decides, and I think it will be in the best interest of the team. You know, whoever plays.
आई थिंक टेस्ट मैच बेस्ट पार्ट इसलिए होता है बिकॉज अगर हम यहाँ पे अगर हमारी एक बॉल भी अगर बैड बॉल होगी तो हम यहाँ पे टाइम है कि हम उसे रिकवर कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज ये है कि हम मतलब वहाँ पे टाइम मिलता है, आप मतलब वापस गेम में आ सकते हो, ये जो बेस्ट पार्ट है, ये मतलब आप टाइम में सोचने का, आप वर्क कर सकते हो, आप बात कर सकते हो प्लेयर्स से, तो इनफ है। जैसे T20 में टाइम नहीं है आपके पास, अगर एक गलती करी तो आपकी टीम हार गई मैच, ऐसी वनडे में भी आपके पास थोड़ा शॉर्ट टाइम है, बस टेस्ट में ये है कि आप बेस्ट मतलब अपने बेसिक को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो,
स्ट्रेटजीज बना
टेस्ट मैच
सकते हो।
या राइट, तो ये बेस्ट है। इससे मतलब एक अच्छे क्रिकेटर्स के लिए एक बहुत जरूरी है, आप मतलब विकेट्स में रहने का टाइम मिलता है, आप वहाँ पे टाइम स्पेंड करो, इवन बॉलर्स को लंबे स्पेल डालने का होता है, तो आई थिंक ये बेस्ट है टेस्ट, मतलब किसी भी क्रिकेटर्स के लिए टेस्ट क्रिकेट बेस्ट है।
The name test itself says that it's a test of your skills. There's a lot. One day cricket and T20 is all about power-packed games, but Test cricket is actually testing your skills. It tests your patience, your temperament, and your ability to take session by session. And it's not going to end in a day. It's going to take 5 days. You have to, one day your team will be up, and the next day probably the other team will have, and then again we'll come back. So it is testing your mental ability to switch according to your session, according to the sessions and situations. And also as a player you're tested really in a very hard way, going long spells and spending more time on the wicket. And so if at all, if you ask me, I was slightly mentally a tougher player after I played the test match, and that's what I carried forward. You have to be mentally like, really, if you're 100% mentally tough for your one day cricket, test has to be at least 10-20% more. You have to be there. So that is one plus which I developed from playing the test match, which I still carry forward till today. Yeah, nothing like watching test cricket. If an Anderson or a Stuart Broad or a Mohammad Shami is coming and bowling in red ball, that is a sight to watch. Even when New Zealand and England are playing, I'm looking forward for the women to play now. How it is, and also for the men's to play the test cricket. Side of test cricket with that 2-3 slips and a gully, that is a different feeling altogether. So test cricket is best form of cricket at any time, given any time. Yeah, probably depends on the pitch conditions. I am sure they will be able to comprehend what the pitch is behaving like, and so whatever is going to be the best on the day of the morning of the test, it will be decided. So but whatever it is, I wish the girls all the very best. Let them win this time also. I'm sure the girls will do well. Thank you for this platform, and all of you all, please stay safe till the situation gets better. Take care and all the best, and please be safe.